क्यों नहीं?
Priya,
What is
Priya,
your suggestion
Shan,
to that?
Priya,
Be
Shan.
quiet. I have started recording. Everything will go in the recording only. Okay.
Ma'am, he is being extraordinary.
Sorry, what?
Everybody need
जाने
to
दे
be quiet. I am starting
भाई,
the lecture
जाने दे।
now.
ज्यादा ही बोल रही, कुछ बोल रहा नहीं तो इसको।
Otherwise, I will leave the meeting. Then you keep on
No,
talking.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Apologize. Sorry. Ma'am, you continue.
No, I leave the meeting. Better it is. Now
Ma'am,
you
No,
continue.
ma'am.
you
No,
supposed to
ma'am.
I am ending
do
meeting
grammar,
for all.
ma'am. No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sorry,
I-
ma'am. Sorry.
Ma'am, you supposed to do grammar, ma'am. Articles. We are doing articles. Let's begin. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Let's begin,
Okay.
ma'am.
We have done articles or not done. We have started with. We have completed conjunction. Correct.
Yes.
We have completed preposition. We have completed conjunction. So we have to start with article. Correct. Okay. Okay. What are the three articles? A, N, and D. Okay. Now where we use a, it is used before singular. Okay. Singular noun. Okay. N is used. N is also used before singular. A is used before singular noun, but words starting with consonant sounds. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
N is used. N is also used for singular noun. But starting with vowel sounds. I am not saying vowel letters. Okay, I am saying vowel sounds. There is a difference between vowel letters and vowel sounds. Okay, that you have to understand. The is used for plural as well as singular. Plural noun. Is it clear? Understood? But
Yes, ma'am.
the is used before singular as well as plural noun. But where it has been mentioned earlier. Is it clear? Now I am giving you example of a and the. Okay. Suppose I say he is Yes. What will be there? Dash. He is dash boy. So it's singular, correct? It hasn't been mentioned earlier. Correct? Boy word hasn't been mentioned earlier. So what will be there?
Oh,
Oh, he is a boy. Correct?
yes, ma'am.
When I say she eats dash apple. Correct? What will be there? It is also singular noun, na? She eats apple. Apple is singular here. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Apple is singular here. So what will be there?
An.
N. Because apple starts with a sound which is vowel sound. He eats an apple. Apple a sound. So it will be N. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So an apple. She eats an apple. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now I am giving example of the, okay, suppose I say they purchase sweets from market or from shop. Correct? They have eaten all dash sweets. So what will be after all? They have eaten all dash sweets. The sweets, all the sweets. Correct? We are referring to the sweets which they have purchased from the shop. So the word sweets have occurred earlier. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Used earlier. So we will be using the, or suppose I mention only one sweet, then also I can use the. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you? They have purchased sweets from the
Yes,
shop,
ma'am.
and then I say they have eaten all the sweets. Is it clear to you? Everybody had noted down this much.
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. पढ़ने दो हमें, बस करो बाबा। मैम प्लीज पढ़ाओ। कौन है ये महान लोग जो बिना वजह क्लास को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, है ना? Okay, so you understood now. Now I am giving you more examples to understand. Suppose you say I study in RJ college. Okay, you are telling somebody. Okay, then you will say dash college is located in Ghatkopar West. Correct? So what you will use? A and B. क्या यूज करोगे? The. Why the?
Because college is period.
Huh? Because we are talking about RJ college which has been mentioned earlier in the sentence. Correct? So you will use the. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where to use the is clear to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So you will use the only and only
when the word is already occurred in.
yeah. Is it clear? The will be used there. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So I study in RJ College, the college. So you are talking about RJ College. The college is located in Ghatkopar West. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am giving you more examples. Suppose you say the he is a poet and correct. So what will you use? He is a poet and
A painter.
correct.
A painter.
Correct. Huh. You can't use an or you can't use the. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. But when you say he is a poet and painter, the or a, you have to decide, huh? The poet or a poet. What you will use?
The.
1 minute. The poet in him is very truthful and comic. Can you use a poet? No, because we are talking about same person, correct? He. So
Yes.
we will use the poet instead of a poet. Is it clear? The poet
Yes,
in
ma'am.
him is very truthful and comic. So where to use the in case of plural and singular is clear to you, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose we are talking about same person. So now we are talking about the same person. He is a poet and painter. Correct? Here also we are talking about the same person, but we are saying he is a poet and a painter, because poetry and painting are two different arts. Yes, somebody has written something in chat box. Okay. Now where we use the is used in before name of books, okay, which are unique. Rivers, okay, mountains, books. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Newspapers, okay, name of the countries, and states if it has a long name. Only in case of names of countries and states if it has a long name. For example, we say USA. Okay. USA, United States of America. Correct? So we will not say, we don't say the India. Do we say the India? We don't say. Do we say the Calcutta? No.
No.
Do we say the Bombay? No, because it has only one noun. Okay. But when we talk about Jammu and Kashmir, we say the Jammu and Kashmir. Is it clear?
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
talking about name of
Yes, ma'am.
countries and states. Have you noted down the earlier one? Can I
Yes, ma'am.
erase it? So, when I say, we never say. We say Bombay, है ना? Mumbai. Mumbai is the financial capital of India. India. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
India.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? We say the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay? Is now Jammu and Kashmir has become a what? Union territory or state?
Union territory.
The Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India, correct? Understood? We say England has defeated New Zealand or New York. Oh, sorry. England has defeated Pakistan, you can say, or India or anybody, any other country, New Zealand and all, in cricket match. In cricket match, correct? But when we will talk about United States, now we will say Joe Biden is the new president of the USA, correct? I have written correct spelling na? Joe Biden. Hello. Yes or not?
No, ma'am. Biden.
What? What is the spelling?
Biden.
Biden.
Yes.
You are sure? 100% sure?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
I think BAI है.
BAI. Okay. Anybody else?
Yes.
Anybody?
Ma'am, Biden, ma'am.
Biden. Okay.
Yes.
Anybody else?
Google पे search कर लो.
I just want to know how attentive you people are.
Ma'am, Joebiden.
Joe.
Biden.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, what do you think? What you think?
Why should I tell?
मैम आई आएगा BIDEN. बाकी सब बराबर है.
हाँ?
नहीं मैम, BIDEN ही है.
अच्छा.
बाइडेन.
और कोई बोलना चाहता है कुछ?
Ma'am, what do you think? Say na.
मैं क्यों बताऊं मैं क्या सोचती हूँ? जो करेक्ट है वो करेक्ट होना चाहिए ना?
Yes, ma'am.
पर हमने तो
बताओ
सही
तो.
बोला ना.
हाँ?
हमने न्यूज़ देखा है ना, तो सही बोले होंगे.
अच्छा, मैं गलत नहीं हो सकती. टीचर कैन ऑल्सो बी रॉन्ग.
Yes,
इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी.
मैम
मैम
Yes.
पर गलत तो नहीं बोल रहे हैं?
क्या
इतने
गलत?
सारे लोग लिख रहे हैं जो बाइडेन BIDN, तो राइट ही होंगे ना?
पता नहीं मुझे।
majority have BIDEN, so ma'am
हाँ,
go for it, BIDEN.
अच्छा, ओके, आई एग्री व्हाट यू से।
यस।
अभी करेक्ट है?
Yes.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely correct.
ओके, इट मीन्स यू आर अटेंटिव इन माय क्लास।
Yes, ma'am. We are.
Joe Biden is the new president of the USA.
USA.
Is it clear? So,
Yes.
Yes.
where to use the? The is used before unique things. The Asia, the Europe, name of the continents. Okay, because Asia is one continent only. Is it clear? Then we say the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Saraswati, rivers name, mountains, the Himalayas. Okay, the Bhagavad Gita. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
The Quran, okay, the Bible. Is it clear? So the is used. Then I told you the is used with the superlative degree when we make comparison among more than two. है ना? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? He is the best student of the year. Okay, the best anchor. This way, correct?
हेलो मैम।
Yes.
मैम भगवत गीता में डी नहीं आएगा, टी आएगा।
हाँ?
भगवत में मैम आपने लास्ट में डी लिखा है, एक्चुअली टी आएगा।
नहीं, भगवत
टी आएगा, भागवत गीता।
नहीं नहीं, डी आता है।
मैम बट अभी जो लेटेस्ट बुक निकली है उसमें टी है।
अरे वैसे हम लिखते
मैम,
हैं
सही है।
भगवत गीता ही है उसका करेक्ट। भागवत हम अपने लोकल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं।
भागवत
भगवत
गीता
गीता, द बाइबल।
रियल ऐसा है।
हाँ
द
मैम,
कुर-
यस मैम, बराबर है।
बी साउंड।
हाँ साइलेंट हो जाता है वो।
क्या?
My spelling is correct. We sound it sounds like T, but this real
अभी
spelling is
गीता की
G
स्पेलिंग
A D.
GEETA भी लिखते हैं ना,
Yes,
बट अगर
गीता।
बुक का देखे तो भगवत गीता GITA ही लिखा जाएगा। ओके, अभी आप
Yes.
अपना नाम का स्पेलिंग में GEE भी लिखते हैं। कोई अमित में भी AMEET लिख सकता है ना, और कोई AMIT भी लिख सकता है ना।
Yes.
इज इट क्लियर? तो इट डिपेंड्स, पब्लिशर ने क्या लिखा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। इज इट क्लियर? बट
Yes, ma'am.
understood or not what I am saying?
So, ma'am, AMIT and AMEET both spellings are correct, right?
इट डिपेंड्स ना किस अपनी। अभी कुछ कुछ लोग राजीव में भी RAGIVE भी लिखते हैं।
अच्छा।
न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से ऐड करते हैं तो, या चेंज करते हैं तो, या किसी अपनी अपनी मर्जी है ना।
Yes.
तो अगर पब्लिशर ने उसमें टी ऐड किया है या ऑथर ने टी किया है तो वो भी चलेगा ना। नेचुरली वो अपनी बुक को क्या टाइटल देना चाहता है वो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है। Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes.
Who was saying कि टी आएगा उसको बोल रही हूँ मैं। That particular fellow की query या doubt solve कर रही हूँ। I don't mean to make fun of anybody, okay? But I am solving the doubts. Is it clear to that student? Hello.
यस मैम।
हाँ, okay. Should I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. As a teacher, it's my duty to solve your queries, no? So in that reference, I am telling you, okay? So see, anybody can write ना। अभी पहले कैलकटा लिखते थे ना, करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे क्या हो गया, मेरा एरो कहाँ चला गया? CALCUTTA। पहले कैलकटा लिखते थे, तो जब कैलकटा के ऊपर या कैलकटा वर्ड कहीं भी यूज होता था तो ये स्पेलिंग यूज होती थी। अभी क्या यूज होती है?
कोलकाता।
करेक्ट, अभी ये यूज होती है। पहले मुंबई के लिए क्या यूज करते थे?
बॉम्बे।
तो पहले की न्यूज़पेपर्स में या बुक्स में पहले क्या आएगा?
बॉम्बे।
अभी क्या आएगा?
मुंबई।
ना, जगह तो सेम ही है, स्पेलिंग चेंज है ना। इज इट क्लियर? तो यू कांट से MUMBAY और BOMBAI, करेक्ट?
Yes.
अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई मीन टू से? अभी बॉम्बे हैज रीनेम्ड एज मुंबई ना, तो अभी कोई बॉम्बे नहीं बोलेगा ना, अभी सब मुंबई बोलेंगे ऑफिशियली, है ना? इज इट
Ma'am,
क्लियर?
they upgrade that spelling every span of time.
हाई कोर्ट का नाम
It's not upgradation, it's renaming the places. Okay,
On basis of what, ma'am?
what means?
On which basis they rename?
Now see, they say Mumbai is named after Mumba Devi.
Oh, acha, Mumba Devi.
Okay,
हाँ.
and Calcutta has been Kolkata because Kolkata is Bengali. Calcutta is not Bengali word, they mean to say. Is it clear?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
And again, after Mumbai, they say Mumbai includes I word. I is in Marathi. I means ma. So it's Mumbai. It should not be Bombay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is it clear?
Okay. So what I mean to say, spellings as far as books are concerned, or hello, who is laughing? Now we have so many. Now see, we have so many religions as well. Correct?
Yes.
Hindu. Somebody may spell Hindu as HINDOO. Somebody may spell Hindu as HINDU. Correct? But generally, which spelling we use?
HINDO.
मैम
Correct?
अभी आपको जो लिखना है लिख दो.
नहीं, आई एम सेइंग कि जनरली क्या यूज करते हैं, मेजॉरिटी में कहाँ यूज होता
मैम
है?
यू.
हाँ, तो वी हैव टू कीप मेजॉरिटी इन माइंड मैक्सिमम टाइम, बट देन HINDOO is also correct, हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
Correct?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
if you write in Hindi, Hindu, the word Hindu will have small u or the big one?
Ma'am, I think big one.
Big one. तो फिर उसके हिसाब से तो डबल ओ ही आना चाहिए.
Yes.
Correct?
Correct.
So I
Yeah.
mean to say कि it is what is written in majority you have to follow, because majority is always counted na most of the time. Correct? Is it clear? Now we have अभी spelling की बात चल रही है, तो चलो मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. You have seen
Yes,
this
ma'am.
spelling.
COLOR and COLOUR.
What is the difference between the two?
पहला वाला मैम अमेरिकन स्पेलिंग है.
Yeah,
Yes.
American spelling.
So दूसरा is British, but both are correct ना. But we generally follow which spelling?
COLOR.
सेकेंड वन वाला है.
हाँ, वो ब्रिटिश स्पेलिंग, हम लोग ब्रिटिश लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश इज ब्रिटिश लैंग्वेज in India. So we follow the second one. We don't follow the first one. Is it correct?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
when you are using computer, which or mobile, which one is automatically there?
COLOR.
Is it
Yeah,
clear?
first one.
Because US English is preferred there. But then you can make the change. If you make the change COLOUR, it shows red line, na?
Yes, sometimes.
हाँ. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अंडरस्टूड. इतना चलता है, चलता नहीं है. अगर आप किसी कंपटीशन वगैरह में पार्टिसिपेट करोगे तो आपको भगवत गीता ही लिखना पड़ेगा. यू कांट राइट भगवत. इज इट क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
जैसे अगर अभी आप किसी कंपटीशन वगैरह में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो तो यू कांट राइट बॉम्बे एक्चुअली फॉर्मली टेक्निकली यू हैव टू राइट मुंबई, यू कांट राइट कैलकाटा, यू हैव टू राइट कोलकाता. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी पहले बेंगलोर बोलते थे, अभी क्या बोलते हैं?
बंगलुरु.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो अभी you have to follow that only. Is it clear?
Yes,
है ना
ma'am.
अभी?
You have given a sufficient example.
हाँ.
Yes.
Okay,
Now we-
understood. It is
Yes.
necessary to tell you because you are first year degree students, all these things. That's why I am telling you. Understood? Though I can tell always these things when I teach letter writing and all. Okay, so you have to understand where to use the, where to use a, where to use an. Now I say he is dash okay. Now I am asking you what article will be there?
And
And
Okay. डैश की जगह मैंने वो लिख दिया है, तुम उसको डैश ही समझना, ठीक है? Okay, then say
Ma'am, I have one question here.
1 minute. First, let me complete.
Okay,
Then you
you
can.
complete. Yeah.
Okay, because otherwise there will be gadbad.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Then okay. Now you tell me in first blank what will be there. He is dash honest person.
He is an honest person.
Why and
because it's an
Oh, honest. AEIOU, ma'am. So,
ma'am,
it is starting with H. It is not
H.
starting with A E I O U.
honest, ma'am, it sounds like honest. Oh, ma'am.
नहीं, its pronunciation is
yes.
not honest.
It's honest. Yeah,
Honest.
ma'am.
Its pronunciation is honest.
Honest.
So it's O sound, vowel sound. Is it
Yes.
clear? I told you I am not talking about letters. I told you that time when I said vowel sound. Is it clear? So he is an honest person. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, when you say they are dash-eyed person, one-eyed person. So what will be there? When you pronounce
are
it,
an-
it is one. It's not O. Vowel sound is not there.
One.
So
Wo-
they are
Yeah. The one honest person.
N नहीं हो सकता because they are plural. Okay, so they are
The.
Is it clear? They are the one-eyed persons. It means all of them are not having proper eyesight. Is it clear? She
Yes.
is European girl or she is European, I say. So what will be there?
She is
A European. Okay, she is a European. Because when you pronounce, it starts with Y sound.
Yes,
Spelling
ma'am.
is starting with E, which is vowel. But when you pronounce it, it starts with Y sound. European. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Similarly, I am dash university teacher. The word is starting with U, which is vowel, but when you pronounce it, it is university, yeah. So I am a university teacher. It can't be I am an university teacher, can't be there. I am the university teacher. When I say I am teaching in a college affiliated to University of Mumbai, so I am the university teacher, can say, because the university has been mentioned earlier. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
To every one
Yes,
of you,
ma'am.
article is clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. So let me give more examples.
Ma'am, I have question here.
क्या हाँ बोलो बोलो. Yes, your question. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you please differentiate between THEIR or THERE?
हाँ
or one more THEN or
हाँ समझ गई मैं.
yeah.
That actually I could have done under parts of speech. Okay. Yours is this na THEIR. Correct? Yes,
Yes.
this. And then you are asking about that I have
Then.
described actually. Then and then. Sorry. THAN. I am going to tell you one more thing regarding the THE, the article के बारे में भी बताती हूँ. This the. Suppose I say I have to ask you one question. What is your question? You say the question. Okay. And I say the answer. So when I pronounce, I will say the question and the answer. Because the here is before consonant. Okay. So the, when it is pronounced, it will be the. When I pronounce it, this word is used before vowel. Word
This is-
starting with vowel, then I will pronounce it as the. Is it clear? Understood or not?
No,
There,
ma'am. Can you
there is
नहीं
you.
मैम, आपकी पहले आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रही थी मैम.
हाँ.
repeat
अच्छा,
it again, ma'am?
अभी
हाँ मैम, अभी क्लियर है, अभी आप बोलिए.
keep it there. Keep the chair there. So this there is for place. Is it clear? Keep the chair there. Is it clear? If I say I am there teacher. तुम्हारी टीचर हूं ना मैं?
Yes.
So if I say I am their teacher, so there is pronoun. Here there is adverb. Is it clear? THEIR, there is pronoun. So you can use it before noun only. But THERE, there is adverb. Is it clear?
So, ma'am, THEIR there is used for
Pronoun.
person.
Pronoun. So it is
Living
used
thing.
in place of noun. Is it clear?
Ma'am, THEIR there is used for living thing.
No, it can be used for non-living thing as well. नहीं. It का plural क्या होता है? They ना.
हाँ.
तो it non-living के लिए भी use होता है ना. Yes, very good. There, here. He says there will be opposite of here. Keep the chair here. Keep the chair there. Correct? There is place. Is it clear? Then THAN, then is used for comparison. He is better than me. He is taller than me. THEN then is for time. He came, then I started my lecture. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Whoever has asked the question, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So you may be having another lecture as well, no?
Yes, we have.
At what time? 2 o'clock. Is it clear to you then and then?
Yes, ma'am. Which is clear.
There and there, both are pronounced same. Both there are pronounced same. THERE and THEIR. So suppose I am dictating you something. So according to context, you will decide which there should be there. Is it clear? But
Yes,
then
ma'am.
Yes,
and then
ma'am.
pronunciation is different. THE and then and THAN is then. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The question and the answer
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Shweta, you have taken admission in extension activity, na registration done na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Any other student want to register for extension activity?
मैम वो क्या होता है?
अच्छा नहीं मालूम अभी तो रहने दो छोड़ो.
मैं आज ही दिन आया.
What's your name?
संस्कार.
First day संस्कार पांडे हो क्या आप?
अरे मैम मैं एक्चुअली जल्दी नहीं आता, वो लेक्चर में एक दो बार आया हूँ, बट अभी बहुत दिनों बाद आया हूँ.
संस्कार पांडे है आपका नाम?
यस मैम.
हाँ, मैं वो चिट चैट कभी कभी तुम्हारा पढ़ती हूँ, हमेशा तो नहीं पढ़ती.
यही है मैडम, यही है.
अच्छा
नहीं मैम देखो मैं बहुत शरीफ हूँ.
यही है संस्कार.
मैंने किसी के बारे में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला है कि आप शरीफ हो या नहीं हो, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
बहुत संस्कार है मैम इसमें.
अरे
इसके अंदर
रोज मेरे साथ उठता बैठता है वो.
इट्स ओके. चलो लेट अस कम टू द पॉइंट बिकॉज आई हैव
Yes, ma'am.
स्टार्टेड द लेक्चर लेट, सो आई एम टेकिंग फॉर 5 minutes more. Is it clear?
यस मैम.
Understood?
Yes.
So
Yes,
Ashwita,
ma'am.
madam told, I talked to madam yesterday, she told that you have been added to the group as well, extension activity का जो group बना है.
ओके मैम.
Shweta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ. Okay. So let me do this. Is it clear to you? What is the difference between two? Now, where A is used, A is always used before singular. Correct? But words
Yes.
starting with consonant sounds. N is always used before singular, but words started with vowel sounds. Is it
Yes.
clear? The is used before singular as well as plural. है ना?
Yes.
The is used before the nouns which are unique, name of the places, name of the country, name of the mountains, hills and all. If it is a longer name, then in case of places, names of towns, states, cities, correct? Names
Yes,
of books, names of newspaper, mountains, hills and all, sea, water resources, I mean, continents, etc. and all. Okay, which are unique. Whatever is unique, one only. Before that, we use the Times of India, because Times of India is one newspaper only. Okay, the Mumbai Mirror. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood what is the difference? So what I wanted
Yes,
to
ma'am.
say, I told you. When I say he is a player and a singer. Is it clear? So I am talking, he is a player as well as a singer. Is it clear? But when I say, I can say he is a player and singer even. Correct? Because I am referring to same person. But when I say a player and singer is coming, a player and singer is coming. So it means I am referring to one person only who is player as well as singer. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
मैम.
When I
Yes,
say a
ma'am.
player, because same person is a player and same person is singer. Is it clear? When I say a player and a singer, it means I am referring to two. Okay? a player and a singer are coming, I will say. I will not say a player and a singer is coming, because I am referring to two people. Out of them, one is player and one is.
Singer.
Is it clear? The difference is clear to you? When you are talking about the same person having two posts and two qualifications or two talents, you will not use the article again and again. He, a player and a singer. If I say, it means I am referring to two. He is a player and a singer. I can't say he is a player and singer, I will say. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Okay, should I end the meeting because you have another lecture now?
Of course,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैम मिलते हैं.
Okay, all the best till then. Now today is
Ma'am, कल ही
11th ना, तो मेरा दूसरा लेक्चर कभी होएगा 18th को. By that time you will be having दिवाली वेकेशन. उसके बाद वापस मिलेंगे 25th को most probably. So
Okay,
happy
ma'am.
Diwali to all of you.
मैम सेम टू यू.
Ma'am, happy Diwali.
Festival.
Thank you.
मैम हैप्पी दिवाली.
Yeah, happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy
Okay.
Diwali, ma'am.
हेलो मैम.
Okay. हाँ,
Diwali, ma'am.
पर
okay.
कौन सा मिठाई खाने का प्लान है आपका?
हाँ.
हाँ, थोड़ा वैरायटी बता दो तो.
अच्छा, क्या करोगे तुम? मुझे
दोगे क्या मैम को?
नहीं मैम, आपका स्पेशल बना सकते हो तो मैम होगा ना कि आप मैम के हाथों का खाने का हो.
नहीं संस्कार पार्सल करने वाला है मैम.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है. जब भी कॉलेज खुलेंगे तो मैं अपनी स्पेशल मिठाई भी बताऊंगी तुम्हें और सब कुछ बताऊंगी, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
अभी
संस्कार भाई हलवाई है.
हाँ,
नहीं मैम, ये आते रहते हैं बीच में, आप बोलते रहो.
हलवाई है? कौन हलवाई है? कि संस्कार का भाई?
संस्कार
तो मैम संस्कार की
संस्कार
मिठाई
हलवाई
की
है.
दुकान है.
ठीक है, फिर वो हमें मिठाई बना के खिलाएगा ना?
हाँ मैम.
नहीं? अच्छा, ओके. देखो, मेरे को क्या लगता है, मिठाई हम अगर अच्छे से बात करते हैं वही हमारे लिए मिठाई है. सबसे बड़ी मिठाई
हाँ
वही.
मैम, एकदम मीठी
है ना?
भाषा.
Because good language, good vocabulary, good behavior is the best
वही मैम.
मिठाई which you can offer others. आप
Yes,
मिठाई
ma'am.
ऑफर
Absolutely
करते हो,
correct.
बट आपकी
Correct,
लैंग्वेज
ma'am.
सही नहीं है, आपका बिहेवियर सही नहीं है, तो वो मिठाई भी कुछ काम की नहीं होती है ना?
Yes, मैम.
यस
बट मैम ये बात की बात है, बट आप मिठाई खिलाओगे.
The
Yes,
best
ma'am.
मिठाई for 2020 is wear mask, observe
ma'am.
social distancing, keep washing your hands, and
Yes,
enjoy
ma'am.
Diwali. Don't burst crackers which are environmentally not friendly. तो प्लीज
अब मैम मोबाइल
क्रैकर्स,
आ गया है, क्रैकर्स की क्या जरूरत है?
हाँ, मैं
बुरा
तुम्हें
ना मानो दिवाली है.
एज ए टीचर बोल रही हूँ कि डोंट यूज क्रैकर्स. पटाखे
Yes,
मत
ma'am.
छुटाना, बिकॉज आसपास बूढ़े लोग रहते हैं ना. और
कुत्ते सड़क
ठीक
के.
हो जाएगा.
ओके, चलो.
Yes,
ऑल
ma'am.
द बेस्ट, एंजॉय योर वेकेशन एंड
Bye,
एंजॉय
ma'am.
फेस्टिवल.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
बाय बाय.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.